Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to turn off your location access in iPhone. For that you need to go on your settings. If settings is already in your screen, that's okay. If you don't have the option settings, you can go at the app library, search settings. Now tap over there. Now scroll down a bit. There you can see the option privacy and security. Tap over there. Now at the first you can see the option location services. Tap over there. Now there you can see the apps that you want to share your location with or the apps that you are not sharing your location with. Now if you want to turn off the location of all the apps that you are using, simply tap on the icon. Now reading the notifications, simply choose the option turn off. Now you can see that your location services for all the application that you are using has been turned off. Likewise, if you want to turn off the location for the selected application, all you have to do is turn on the location services mode. Choose the application or app that you want to close the location of. Simply click on the option never. Now, the location services for this application is turned off. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Guide Hub. Thank you.